Hi, it's Blake Homie, and this is a video for Dyhair777. I already opened up the package because I was like, ooh, it's this, ooh, it's in here. And so this is the remnants, but I managed to get the wig back in the bag. So this is what the wig came in. This cute bag. This is a really cute bag, I'm not gonna lie. It's really long, so I don't know if I could use it for something else, but okay, so in here, the wig was in a wig net, you know, and with this too. But anyways, this is 100% virgin human hair, so I can dye this or whatever, you know. Also, it came with lashes. I'm gonna try these. I will try these, but I don't know if they're not big like the lashes I usually wear. But I'm going to try to put this wig on, and I'm gonna no, I'm gonna put it on and then cut the lace. But I don't want to be seen in a wig cap for too long, honestly, because I look really ugly. I remember one time I went to a beauty supply store, and I was just putting on a wig for the first time, and I was having a bad time. I'm not gonna lie. And then this sweet old black lady came up to me and was like, "Honey, let me show you how to do it. Let me help you." And I was like, "Thank you. You're my new mom." Now, I feel like the density of this wig looked kind of funny. I mean, 'cause I did try it on once before, but I'm gonna have to cut the lace in the back. Now I have to be seen in a wig cap for longer than I intended. I'm really tempted to try and dye this, just, you know, because I want to dye my hair. I recorded a get ready with me that I'm putting out after this video, and in it I was talking about how much I want to dye my hair, and I don't want to dye this wig. You know, I don't want to do it to him. This wig, I think, was $90. I mean, I got it for free, but on the site, I'm pretty sure it's $90. Okay, let's see. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my legs up, and I'm gonna get this mirror game going. Okay, hold up. I feel like I could have done this off of my head and it would have been completely, utterly, and totally, but this looks so cute. Look at this. Oh my god, this looks so cute. I think I need another rubber band to hold this up. I love this brand because I think I'm cutting my own hair. They were really sweet to me, which is I mean, not unusual, but with wig companies, they usually harass me and I hate it. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm cutting my natural hair. I'm so scared. I'm not sure if I can cut this on my fucking head. I can't do it. I can't do it. There's too much pressure. I wish I was good at installing wigs, but this wig is really good looking. So either way, anything that happens, it's gonna look good. Oh my god, they did the baby hairs too. I'm gonna get the clip in the back. Let's come down more. Okay, and then get the clip in the front. Other clip in the front. I don't have any glue, so that's a loss. Okay. Is this how it's supposed to be parted? I think so. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and part my hair in the middle, and then I'm going to pluck. Okay, so I only plucked the what's it called? The scalp part, you know, the part in your hair. And I don't think I plucked enough, but I did not want to be too cocky about it. But yeah, this is the wig. I think it's really cute. I'm not sure, it makes me feel kind of insecure because I haven't had this is 16 inches. I haven't had long hair in a while, and I'm just like, I don't know how I feel about myself. I look like a country bumpkin. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.